Hello, I'm Design Guy. I'll show you step by step how to create an eye-catching sports poster in Canva. Click Create Poster, select Landscape Poster. Then, go to Elements and search for the car background. Search for photos in this folder. Let's go ahead and use this one. You can place 4 cards there again. Use the Background Remover tool to delete the background from this image. Select the background area and remove it to isolate the subject. Resize the image by dragging its corner handles to make it larger. Add the text Supercars, and then change the font as needed. Add a suitable font to the image. Then duplicate the text and change the duplicate's color to white. Select the group, then lock the background layer. Next, click the Position tool to adjust the group's placement as needed. Adjust these elements as needed, then group them together. Next, go to Elements and search for additional car graphics to add to your project. Try flipping the image now. Let's choose another example and proceed with the next step. Select the Spark Elemental from the available options to continue. Select the Graphics tab to access settings for visual elements. Adjust options as needed to enhance display quality or performance based on your requirements. Let's position this element within the Layers panel now. Click Share, then Download. Choose PDF Print for the best quality when saving and printing this image. Now you know how to design a sports poster in Canva-like, and subscribe for more creative tips.